I met CoPrint CEO at FormNext 2024 and talked to him about their latest product, the KCM Set and Chroma Set, which can be used to convert almost any 3D printer into a multicolor 3D printer. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy this in-depth interview with exclusive insights. Hi there, I'm here at the booth of CoPrint 3D. They are the manufacturers of the Chroma Head and KCM Set, which brings multicolor and multi-material 3D printing to almost any 3D printer. I'm here with Fatih, and I would like to ask him some questions about the challenges the company faced when starting the Kickstarter campaign, also why the delivery of the product was delayed, about the problems with the support and how they will solve that in the future. So let's start. Hi Fatih.
Hi Thomas, thanks for having me on your channel today.
When I saw your product first on YouTube, I was immediately curious to see how that would work out. Then we started a Kickstarter campaign back in November last year. I did a little bit of research and saw that you already had a Kickstarter campaign 2 years ago in November 2021,
Yes.
which was also about a multi-material system. So why did you decide to create and bring out a new product?
In 2020, we make our first multi-filament module. There is just one solution in the market right now, and we are so excited about multicolor 3D printing. So we make our first multicolor machines when we are in university with my co-founder Hussein. He's our CTO right now. This multi-filament module, I can also show you this product right now. We are actually one compact product, has 7 filaments capacity. We did Kickstarter for this product 3 years ago. In these campaigns, we raised $225,000. After that, we produced this product and shipped to customers. After that, of course, we take important feedback about this product. For example, this product has 7 filament capacity.
So you had to invent something new
Yes.
to make it possible
Also,
to print with more than 7 colors, because that
Yes,
was what the older unit was limited to.
Of course, this is the one of the reason. Another reason is that we are compatible with just Bowden type 3D printers in these first machines. Because of compatibility, and this first product is not modular, we want to make modular kits so every customer can make his orders to their needs. For example, if you need more color, you can take more color. For example, if you have direct drive Bowden, you can use anyway also. Our first aim is actually to reinvent the CoPrint products, and we are calling this CoPrint Series 2 products. Is actually first aim will be more compatibility. Almost any printer we want to make compatible this product series. Another one has to be modular. We analyze the market and our customers' feedback. Now, I will explain Chroma Head, it can be used independently. This is also, I think, a good thing for customers. Firstly, we made Chroma pads. This is a Klipper pad. In this time, like Sonic pad, Felsan pad, BTT pad, some of brands launched their new pads. And we see that all of the pads is not actually designed for multicolor printing. So we designed Chroma pad as a world's first multi-filament 3D printing pad. Chroma pad has also features like other pads. Multi-printer control features. You can control your different printers in one panel.
Can you use one Chroma pad to control more than one 3D printer using the multicolor Chroma Head?
Of course.
So can you then plug in a USB port extender and then plug in more than one printer? And the Chroma pad allows you to choose between the printers and control them independently then?
Of course. 3D printer hobbyist actually has more than one 3D printers. As you know, most customers has more than 4-5 3D printers. So we want to add this feature also. And also our main focus is still multicolor. Firstly, we designed the Chroma Head. Chroma Head is actually ultimate tool head directly designed for multi-filament 3D printing.
The Chroma Head seems to be the most complex print head I've ever seen. You put so many thoughts into it, and from your documentation, I know that it's totally modular. So you can exchange the parts independently when you have a broken part, or when you have a part like the blade, which for sure is something that will wear over time.
Yes. We actually designed Chroma Head also modular. Chroma Head contains 3 modules. Extruder modules for extrude the filament tool head. We have also filament cutting mechanism. This is a patent pending our technology. We are cutting the filament inside the tool head. This is also innovative way.
That's a unique thing, I think.
Most
units I've seen so far pull back the filament into the multicolor unit where there's a blade which cuts it, but you have the whole path
through the Bowden tube or PTFE tube before you can cut it. And of course, that takes a lot of time to pull back the filament a long way.
In first machine, we see this problem. You know, we are also changing back and sending back. This takes long time. If you're printing multicolor and its print has so much filament changing, it will be most time waste actually. Because of that, our main aim is in multicolor. We have to change filament fast. Because of that, we are cutting filament inside the tool head, and also we have Chroma hot end, which we co-branding with Fetus. Fetus is, I think, a great hot end producer, nozzle hot end producer in the world. There's so much experience in this area. And we designed our hot end and talked with them. We want to make this happen. We need high quality on this Chroma hot end, and they are so helpful for us. They make our product fast production. In the R&D phase also they support us. They give feedback about the product. They will give about production phase. After that, now Chroma had a 3 module, Chroma hot ends, filament cutting mechanism, and extruder module we have. And as you say, it can be more changeable. It will be more easy for users.
And it has a built-in accelerometer, so you can do input shaping.
Of course.
And you don't have to use a separate accelerometer to do that.
Of course.
It's a one-in-all solution.
Yes, we aim that, yeah.
But it's big. I found on my K1 I lose about 40, 50 millimeters at least.
Of course. And the most challenging thing when we design Chroma head is about compatibility. Because you know we are not making this tool head to one printers like any brands. Because of that, we have to make more compatible
to other printers. You can print out adapter plates which are mounted to the spot of printer you want to upgrade, and then screw your print head to that plate, and everything is finished. And that's a cool idea. And I think people which have printers which are not supported yet with such an adapter plate can build their own adapter plate.
Of course, yes.
I saw you provide the step files.
Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor PCBWay. I'm super grateful for their continued support that makes all of this possible. If you haven't checked them out, PCBWay offers PCB manufacturing in small quantities, perfect for iterating on your board design or even producing small batches of your final product. On top, they offer 3D printing and CNC machining services. If you're interested in that, definitely check out their website at pcbway.com.
For example, Sigma profiles, we are sending metal adapter part customers within the box, Chroma head box. But for the others, gantry and other printers, we are supply the STL files and CAD files. Also, we are sending the products model for people if has talent about it. They can design their own, can customize it also for their setup. Because we have also customers like they have custom 3D printers, so they are not not a brand printers. Because of that, we are also supplying our product model in our website, so people also can testing right now for their printers. As we talked this issue, we did this for compatibility. This is also most challenging thing for us. And also when we launch Kickstarter, we have two tool heads and bigger than these ones.
I already have a question. When I opened the box containing the extruders, I recognized that the gears are made from plastic. Do you plan to do an upgrade so that the gears are full metal gears?
Yes, also I forgot to say, now for the popular brand 3D printer, for example, we have so much Creality printers, the other brands, popular printers, we will supply metal adapter parts also. Now we are R&D on this. For example, now we are using your plastic parts that you print in your home, but we are testing the metal parts for this. When we finish these products, also we will supply this part for metal also, and gear also we are trying something. But this has to be universal. We are doing R&D good. We are pleasant, but distribute this product to every customer is a little bit hard. It has to be more work. So now we are working also on this. After Kickstarter, as I say, we change a lot also to Chroma head. I can show you later about it. We have first prototype here. We have final product here. We can compare it. We decrease the weight of Chroma head for face printing. We changed a lot about cutting mechanism. We developed a lot.
I think the cutting mechanism was, I guess, the most complicated thing to get to work reliably. so that it works every time. And I think you had dozens, hundreds of block nozzles because the cutting didn't work.
Of course, because of the result, we changed the cutting mechanism. Because cutting mechanism is also most important things, I think, in the multicolor printing. And we have to do this in the inside of tool heads. Because, other brands think...
They cut it inside the filament unit, yes, I know.
But we are compatible with different type of 3D printers. Because of that, we are cutting inside of tool head.
You only need one cutter because you are cutting the current filament and then you retract that, feed in the new filament, purge the remaining filament out of the print head. And I guess that also is why your system mostly uses less filament for wiping than other
Yes,
solutions.
Because the other brands, pooping or other filament cleaning ways, yes, we are fast than the other solution and we are actually less waste filament right now, but still we are to clean the filaments and we make waste in this system.
So let's summarize. You developed an absolutely new print head which contains three main components. The hot end itself, which you built in cooperation with Fetus. You have also your own cooler design on the hot end with a wavy structure, which gives it more surface and better cooling. Then you have the cutting mechanism, which is responsible for cutting the filament before switching the colors. And last but not least, you have the extruder in the head, plus an accelerometer, and all in one head. And then you have the unit with extruders, which feed the filaments to
I
the
can also mention
head.
that I forgot to say, we have also CX1 extruder for... we are
this unit.
Feeding the filaments to head. Also, we have KCM modules.
So you have the single extruders which pull the filament and push it to your print head.
Yes.
And then in the print head you have the extruder which pulls the filament and pushes it through the print head to print.
Yes. Yes. We have also KCM here. Extruder connect to KCM, but KCM has 4 filament capacity.
So this is for one unit with 4 extruders, and then you extend it with your ECM, which
ECM
brings another 4 colors to your
yes.
printer.
Yes, with this way you can print up to 20 colors because of this is modular, it is expandable, and KCM for Klipper-based printers. If you are using Marlin printers, you will use Chroma pad, and also Chroma pad can be expandable with ECM.
So both systems, Chroma pad and KCM Set, are in their base version 4 colors, and you can extend it by 4 colors with the ECM Set up to 20 colors.
Yes. ECM means extended chroma module. We use chroma in every product. Chroma means color in Latinese. Also, we have, 2 design in every product we have right now because this is our company's second product series. And I'm telling this in the first time here. When we designed this product series for second product series, we inspired by Apple II series. 2 figures when you make Apple II. Apple II is also very important for Apple's technology story. And this second product series is also important for us because when we start this series, there is not so much multicolor solution in the industry. When we make our first product series, there is only 1 or 2 solutions in the market. Right now, you see every brand has multicolor solution. They are multicolor. We actually predict these futures for 3D printing industry. But as you say in the first, we are still startup. We don't have too much people for doing this job together.
I think I saw that on your Kickstarter campaign that many people didn't recognize that you're a small team. Most of you are working on the development of the product, so there was not so much time to answer questions, and that drove some people mad about you because they lost their faith. And I saw a lot of people who wanted their money back, and even some were saying it's a scam. But
this is upset.
It's not a scam because we kept updating, not so regularly as I would have wished, but I knew that you were only 5 or 7 people, and the main goal was to bring the product to the people.
We always actually responding, but sometimes we respond lately. Now our team is 8 people. Now we are hiring new people for customer service and test engineering team. because now for our community, for our technical content, we are improving this. Of course, we respect all of the scam comments. We are all respect to customers because they are Kickstarter backers, they are our early adopters. We totally respect their opinion and we get our feedback from them. Bad comments or good comments, we always get feedback from this opinion. And we are actually make it live and we want to send best version to you.
What level of experience must someone who wants to upgrade his 3D printer with your multicolor solution? I guess it's not for a beginner.
Actually, yes. As you say, product is a little bit complicated because of we are making this modular, we have so much products and they are combined together. As I said, people can use it independently because as you say, people just buying 3D printer and using our printers can be a little bit complicated. I think most 2 months, 3 months experience need to use these products, but it depends on the customer's actual profile. If he's technical guys, I think he can understand the situation more deeply. But after now, because we just finished production last month, while I was in China with my co-founder 45 days, we follow the production process and other things. And now we have FormNext fair here. And last 2 weeks we worked for this to meet our customers here. Now after that, for our main focus right now is the customer support team. Also,
I think so, yes.
Also we will improve our technical contents more. Yeah. I hope that for the next month in December, people who didn't 3D printer yet buy 3D printer and buy our set. He will 1 hour, 50 minutes. He will set up our products, their printers, because now we have so much notes what we have to improve about wiki technical video guy. We will make it happen this month because we are hiring new people about it. We will improve this site also because this is also now after that this is also important part because people seeing our product as you see last year's they are interested in it.
It might mislead people to think I just buy the set and then they get disappointed because it doesn't work for them when they don't follow the instructions and some instructions are missing, some parts are still missing some parts. You are still in the progress of writing the wiki pages and filling all the gaps.
Yes, we are updating every wiki actually. When, as you say, when we miss something and customers they say they're missing here, we are updating now. And also if we, for example, we see we can improve here, we will update also. I think but next month we will finish all of the, still will be add more content to wiki, but basic instruction will be finished this month because after FormNext our main focus will be this. Also this is also so important for customers. We are testing in our office so many machines, but we want to see, also we have beta tester and we take comments from them, but real customer experience is also important for us because this is our company's main focus. We want to improve this area and next year, other year, we want to make new products for this industry. Because of that, these feedbacks are actually our full. This is our everything. We want to hear customers from.
I still have a question. From the price point, your system is, if you buy the starter set, the KCM or Chroma set, somehow in the same price range than the multicolor systems of the competitors. But I think the value you get from paying that for the starter set is that extending the system with more colors is much cheaper than with the competitors. Is that right?
Yes. About competition with our other competitor products and other solution. Actually, if we think about 4-color set, we have actually equal price like other solution. But if we go up with 8-color products, I think we have a good competitive advantage here because, for example, KCM set with 8 colors, total set I think around $400 right now. Also, the other solution actually has not so much product, has expandable option. I think AMS can do it in X1 carbon bamboo.
But then you have to put another AMS next to the one you already have. And if you want 12 colors, for example, then you have 3 AMS.
Yes,
and you always buy the full system. But with your solution, you just buy the parts to extend it, which is you have the Chroma pad already, or you have the KCM, and then you only need to buy the ECM and another
for 3
extruder motors,
how many colors
and everything will work.
Also, there is a good option here. I remember right now. You don't need to use our own brand extruders.
Yes,
for example,
you can buy BMG extruders.
Of course, If you have BMG extruder in your home, you can also use it with our products. This is also, I think, good for customers because we have so much the other brand extruders here. I think people has also can use it.
That's giving people a lot of flexibility to use a product and to make it their own. Because if they don't like the extruders you have, then they can choose any extruder they like and put that in instead.
Also, the old printers, you know, I think everyone has old printers right now, and that V2 Pro. I think
you have spare parts,
yes,
which you can reuse them.
Yes. Actually, we are living them again because you know these year's printers has so much new features. Every brand has released new products, maybe more than one. But old printers now getting old. You know, they are not usable right now for customers. Customers want to new product. They are seeing new products. They are making multicolor printing. They are fast. But our product series, we want to make them upgrade your 3D printers, bring them to future right now.
That was one thing which I really liked, because nowadays if you want to print with multi-materials or multicolors, your only choice was to buy one of the printers from Bamboo Lab or now the K2 from Creality, also with a multicolor unit. But if you already have a good printer at home, then you may not want to buy a new one just to get multicolor, and then you can just buy your solution and
For example,
level it up somehow.
Yes, I have, for example, I have MDR5 Plus in my office. I like these printers, but I want to make multicolor in these printers. I don't have solution right now. I have to buy another solution. Also, big volume. We have also good competitive advantage in big volume multicolor printing. You know, there is not so much solution about big volume printers. For example, if you have custom built 3D printer, you can use multicolor. This is actually world first multicolor printing in 50/50 printing with our solution also. Something like this is also important for me because I have, as I said, I have NDR5 Plus in my office. Now I'm using Chroma Set in this, making multicolor with 12 colors. Also, I can make anything that I want. Also, I like, you know, huge forge prints. This is a good option for me.
It makes it easier to enter the multicolor 3D printing without having to spend so much money for a completely new 3D printer. Most 4-color 3D printers are in a price range of 1,000 to 1,500 US dollars. So here you can have the same with a fifth of the money.
We have also good news for FormNext we launch. Now we will make collaboration on NR3 V3 and NR3 V3 Plus with Creality right now. We are launching our cooperation in this FormNext 2024. After that, for K1 series and other brands also we will do some collaboration. It will be very good for us actually. Creality always support our company about our old Kickstarter, new Kickstarter. They are actually always be supportive for us. And now we are actually leaping another forward together because now firmware update is actually important things. Also, Creality will sell our products from online channel. Creality has huge online channel. You know, they are the biggest company of the same industry. Because of that, it will be so good for us. So we can give our focus to R&D, customers already we have. And also we will expand this cooperation in the future. Now we are working on it also. And actually, I think as a Creality users, I am personally Creality users.
So you have already two big names supporting your product, or I think so, three. I thought Sobol is also...
Actually, now we are not doing collaboration with Sobol. We are thinking about cooperation with Sobol in CF08, but this actually not proceeds. Now we are making Creality collaboration, but we are compatible with CF, Sobol printers. We are compatible.
How does that fit into Creality to bring out the K2 with their own multicolor solution?
Yes.
Do you work together on that with them too?
Of course. Actually, last year we met Creality's co-founders in FormNext. After that, they invite us to their China office. We will go and talk about our project features. After that, sometimes we come together and talk about it. Then we finish this production series and all R&D process finishing. Creality actually wants to make multicolor solution to their old customers. The Creality aware of that. Everybody doing new printers every year, and actually customer doesn't like that so much because I buy one printers 3 months later it is old. I love brand, for example, but he released new printers. But this way I can upgrade my printers. I can also have some add, multicolor features also in my printers. And I think it is also a very cool thing for a brand like Creality. So of course, it's also very good for us. We are a small company, and support from Creality is also
I think it's good for both companies.
Of course.
Creality can advertise their products to be fully compatible with your system.
Yes.
With other brands, there might be issues, and you have to do a little bit more of investigation to get it working. But from what I saw when I upgraded my printer, it's possible, and the problems I faced, I asked the support for assistance. Though it took a while, I got an answer, but it looks good.
And also, I can add one more thing about Creality cooperation. As you see, about we are updating firmware. Creality will also, we are little doing R&D about how we can do it for more user friendly, because Creality has so much plug and play product. You can out of the box and set up easily. Because of that, Creality now also helping us about this issue. We have so much product, and set up all of together is a little bit complicated. But now with Creality, also now we are focused on NR3, V3 series, K1 series, and other printers. Which printers we will focus? We will make more user friendly with our product. Also, I think it will be more good solution to customers. We just launched our cooperation 2 days ago in FormNext. In 2 days, every feedback we get here is a positive way. Everybody liked this cooperation and congratulate us about this.
Yep.
This is also, yes, is a good achievement for us. Also, as a small company, we are taking support from the biggest company. We are making co-branding together. I think for the next years also we will expand this collaboration together. It will be good for markets. Yeah, we believe that.
I think
because
so,
we have so much.
Competition is always
always good,
and bring new innovations. And
of course,
this is an innovation I was waiting for very long. I know there are some open source systems like the ECRF, but that are only for the faint-hearted to build, because it requires a lot of experience. You have to source all the parts yourself. A lot of trouble to getting it up and running.
Totally agree with you. We also dreamed this one, because actually we want to make better and better product. If we has opportunities, if we has 500 people, we want to make every printer upgrade kits and easily outbox and set up. We want to make this, but this is, challenges. Developing such a product like this is so much challenging process. But I think we are on the good way. We are working on it so hardly. Our team working so hard. Now I think more than 2 years we are just focusing this area, and more than 5 years we are making multicolor printing. I think we have very important know-how in this industry, and we want to give back to our industry. We want to improve, increasing the competition in this area. Also the other brands, we want to push them, because customers need this. We believe this. Also, I think you believe this. 3D printers will get every house one day. It will be more user-friendly. Also, we are hobbyists. We want to make this available for other printers, and we want to make business about it. We want to make successful business. Is also important for us. And thank you for inviting me your channel and visiting us today here. This is also
it's my honor. I saw the product more than 1 year ago on YouTube, and I think it was last year's FormNext where you showed the first prototype. And then I got aware of the Kickstarter campaign. This one was something I always wanted. I think I'm not alone, and having the option of upgrading old printers to be able to print in multicolors is such an awesome thing, and I have it on my K1 right now, and the print quality is great as well.
So
you mentioned the iterations of the print head from the first prototype to the current one. Can you show me?
So of course I can show you from this one, the first prototype we showed last year FormNext here. I think we developed to this right now. This is the final product of Chroma head, and for the weight, I think it's around 600 grams, and now right now there is 400 gram we have tool head. We improved the weight, I think 50% decrease. Also we changed the design a little bit. We improved the industrial design for using people. We had fun here. We changed a little bit these parts also. Also I can show you the inside of tool heads as we are here. Now we have 3 modules here. Now there is Chroma tent, there is filament cutting mechanism inside here, and extruder mechanism here. This is the inside of tool Chroma head. Also I can show you the KCM modules.
Oh, that's one thing what I really like.
Thanks so much.
The magnetic
We work on it so much.
That's I love it.
Thanks. Glad to hear that. Thanks so much. Also, this one's the first prototype of KCM modules. We also developed this one so much. Before all of the plugs was here. Now, and also we decreased the volume of products. Here is the final products of KCM. We also improve our mold plastic quality. We also work on it so much. We make so much mold improvements. These ones KCM's old and new products. Also ECM changed a little bit because we want to make these two design I was mentioned your Apple logo. We add all of this design to all of the printers we add, Chroma pad, Chroma head, all of as this two design. Here is the final product of CoPrint Series 6 products. Also, I can show you that here. You can now seeing.
That's
our first product.
The unit from your first
Yes.
Kickstarter campaign.
CoPrint multi-filament module, we named that. It was our first serial product. This is our first baby for company.
And now the baby got a lot of children there.
Yes. I think this is also a very good product. We want to make improvement on this.
Do you still sell that?
No, not selling right now. And because of this product, actually, we improve our multicolor printing know-how. As I said, this product is very important for us because we learn so much things from this product. Because multicolor 3D printing is a little bit hard engineeringly, needs a lot of know-how. And these products, we learn so much from these products because this also is important. Now, also CoPrint Series 6 products is also be challenging for us, all of the team also. But for the future, for Kickstarter backers, we are so respect our all of backers, and as we promised before, we will always help them, and we will always, when we have chance to give them any opportunity about our product and other things, we will give our opportunity to customers, and hopefully the next product series, another R&D project, we will give all of the additional things to our Kickstarter backers. Because our aim is actually for this early adopter. Early adopter users is very important for a company like us. For every company, this is important. Now we have Chroma set here. I can show you my booth here.
So here's the printer at work.
Yes, this one and that race one. I think he's 4 years old. These printers.
There's the Chroma pad.
This Chroma pad here. Also we have. For extrude. Now we are making 4-color printing with Chroma pad right now. Also, we are painting this model. We like it so much. Everybody like it. I can show you like this.
Wow, that's cool. Do you have an STL for that? Is there an STL available
Of
to
course,
print that? I would love to print that on my own.
Of course, I can share you. We are printing 4-color here. Also, we are printing 8-color prints here with Ender 3 V3 Plus. We are also printing same model here. And on the other side, we have special series. We are making multicolor 3D prints, and we want to show our products capacity with special products. And because of that, our designers team made something series for showcasing our new products. We are showcasing our newest product series with our Colors of Istanbul design series. Because we are making multicolor 3D printing and we want to showcase this capacity with special product series. Because of this, we choose Istanbul. We based in Istanbul. We are R&D centers in Istanbul, and we want to make Istanbul symbols to showcase. This is Made in Towers. It's one of the symbols of Istanbul. Also, we have Galata Towers here, and our industrial design team.
Wow,
designed this
that's
ferry.
big. How long did it take to print this?
This is 4 different parts here. We print this with Ender 3 V3 Plus. I think total 274 hours. This is Istanbul's ferry line. This is a classical ferry line. Istanbul in Asia and Europe all together is in Istanbul.
Yes.
And this ferry line is going to Asia and Europe every day. And our companies also, our production in China, our most customers in Europe and United States. Now I can show you the Ender 3 V3 series. This is KCM set with 8 colors. There is 1 KCM, 1 ECM, 1 Chroma head, and 8 extruders. Right now, we are printing 8-color print here. Also, we update the firmware with Clarity right now, and we will launch all of the details about collaboration, I think next week or other week with Clarity. Creative will announce all of the details about this collaboration. Also, we will send update to Kickstarter this week about FormNext and this cooperation. I can show you here. You see there is multicolor system, CoPrint 8 color and 4 color is here right now. Also, people can monitor their prints from this homepage in Creality Mail. Also, they can see the other print history right here. It will share all the details about it.
That's coming to the K1 as well.
We are working on it. It will be announced later, but as I can say that we are working on it. And Thomas, we can finish together. Thanks for having us on your YouTube channel. Thanks for visiting us in again this year in Germany. It is great to meet you here.
Yes, thank you very much, Fatih. I'm looking forward to where that product will go in the future. It's already great and the prints look awesome.
Thanks so much.
And I still have to say, I love it.
You can keep one of them. We have so much here.
Oh, thank you very much.
It will be memory for you.
Wow.
Also print this with your system also.
That's so nice.
Yes, you can turn from here.
Thank you very much for the interview.
This is a very good opportunity to tell about our story and all of the product series. Thanks for having us on your YouTube channel.